I'm about to name every part on my bike. Here's my bike check 2015. Side and top, Odi Barons, Merritt Charlie Crumlish Sig Grips, S&M Full Bar, Charlie Crumlish Signature, Salt Top Load Stem. It was cheap, so I got it. Got two spacers, Odyssey headset. I don't know what forks are these. I'm pretty sure they're Fit forks. Fit Wizard sleeve with Odyssey Impex. Chase Hawk tires, 2.4s. Revenge complete wheels, front and back. I got Fit Ben Yell frame, 20. Top tube, 13.5 back end. Stolen pivotal seat post. Kink pivotal seat, a fat one. I run no hub guards for now because I bought the wrong ones. I have a hub guard over there. It is a Primo non-drive side hub guard running 4 pegs. Then I have a KMC chain, nothing special about it, it's just a chain. Fit key guard sprocket, right hand drive. I got Fit Indent cranks, 175s. Odyssey twisted PCs, both. And my bike weight's about 24, 25 pounds. And the light